Ever wished you could instantly jump back to your very first Instagram message with someone? Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a simple button to teleport you to the beginning of your message history. But don't worry, I'm going to reveal two quick workarounds first, the obvious, yet sometimes tedious method. Start by opening your direct messages and selecting the conversation you want to explore now. Prepare your thumb for a workout. Begin scrolling up, and I mean really scrolling. Instagram loads messages incrementally. So keep going until you see those ancient texts from the dawn of your friendship. This is best for shorter message histories. But if you're like me and have years of messages, that could take forever, which is why I recommend method 2. Hop onto a computer and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account. This only works on the website, not the app. Click the direct message icon. It looks like a paper airplane, located at the top right of your screen. Select the conversation with the user whose message history you're eager to revisit. Now, here's the magic. Scrolling through messages on the website is significantly faster than on the app. Use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll upwards. You'll find that messages load much more quickly, making the journey to your first message a breeze. Keep scrolling until you reach the very beginning, and there you have it. A blast from the past, now easily accessible. So whether you choose the dedicated thumb method or the speedy website scroll, you can now unearth those forgotten memories in your Instagram DMs.